What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to cheat money on FIFA 14 career mode. If you want to buy some player and you don't have enough money, this will help you very much. Or if you want to give him a bigger salary to join your club. First, you need to download Cheat Engine from cheatengine.org. I put the download link in description. And you click here on this button, download Cheat Engine, and save file. After that you need to install and run. Now I'll run Cheat Engine 6.3. Yes. Here, when this shows up, you click here at the left corner, select the process to open. When this shows up the process list, here you have a process like FIFA 14, like this. Here you see FIFA 14. You need to run the FIFA 14. The game must be run it to hack the money. You'll have the FIFA 14 process here, and you choose the FIFA 14 and open. Now for example, I'll choose the Cheat Engine process. You don't choose the Cheat Engine process, choose the FIFA 14 and type the sum of money you need in the transfer budget. Here, this sum of money, where it types transfer budget, where it says transfer budget, like this, 297,500, and I type 297,500 and I click on the button for scan. And when this shows up, you click on this arrow. Now hold the control button or CTRL and select every process here, every value. You click on the right button, change record and value, and you type, for example, 999, 999, 999. You can add maximum of 9 numbers, so don't add 10 numbers, 11 or more, because your game might crash. Now okay, and that's all guys. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe and like my video.